You want to invest or make more money, but you're not sure where to start. With so many options in 2021, it's hard to know which ones will give you a good return on investment in time. Here are 5 ways that can help you multiply your money and get ahead in 2021. Open a trading account. Open an account with a trading service such as Robinhood or Webull, which offer free stocks for opening or funding an account or for inviting friends to join. They offer trades for stocks, investments in cryptocurrencies, margin accounts for active traders, handling of a variety of wallets, and more. There are many similarities between Webull and Robinhood, but there is one key difference. Webull provides more advanced trading features for intermediate and experienced traders, while Robinhood offers novice traders a streamlined experience with limited options. The choice of which stock investing platform to use depends on your level of investment knowledge. Buy IPO stock. What is an initial public offering? In short, an IPO is an initial sale of stock to the public by a company. An IPO is said to be direct or primary when the offering is made directly by the company itself. A primary market transaction such as this typically involves application and approval by a securities commission. Buying IPO stock may be appealing, but it is also a gamble. A block of common stock bought during an initial public offering can deliver huge capital gains decades down the line. Even just the annual dividend income from a highly successful company can exceed its original investment amount, given enough time. With the promise of returns, your investment in IPO stocks can provide capital to enterprises that create real goods and services. Studying how to invest in IPOs is important because conditions determine outcomes. Flip sneakers purchased on stocks on eBay or via the SNKRS app. The internet, e-commerce, and online shopping have become increasingly popular over the past decade. Online shopping notably spiked during the ongoing pandemic. According to Yahoo Finance, in fact, they reported that the U.S. primary sneaker market came to be worth more than $21 billion. The global resale market stood at $6 billion, while U.S. based resellers reached a combined total of $2 billion. When starting out in the sneaker business, one must have a vast knowledge of how to buy and sell shoes. There are market patterns that can be analyzed to turn a profit on good selling sneakers, but it is important not to waste time if they are not selling quickly. Sell freelance services on the Fiverr platform. Fiverr is a global marketplace to buy services for $5. This has helped people get what they want within a short period of time. Hence the name Fiverr. The term comes from 2 words five and ver. The marketplace is primarily used by freelancers who making money on Fiverr by offering their services to its customers on a global, cross-country scale. Fiverr gigs are a great way to make money and can include logo design, software development, video transcribing, or writing articles. Since you will start with gigs that only get $4 and later work your way into more lucrative commissions, it is essential to start small. Buyers on Fiverr want their services quickly and often can't pay much for them. Flip internet domains using the Flippa platform. Flippa is an online marketplace for buying and selling all kinds of websites. The platform is well known to be a modifiable website that provides a comprehensive guide for you to learn how to modify and successfully sell websites online. The service includes an auction format while creating a buyer-seller relationship between people buying and selling various types of websites. Thank you all for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or think there's something else I should explain, please don't hesitate to let me know by commenting below. If you want to see more content like this, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.